The Jetpack and AMP WordPress plugins allow you to add delicious recipes to your WordPress website and have them display fully AMP compatible markup. In this video, I'm going to show you how. To start off with, let's go to the Jetpack Settings. From the Settings page, scroll down and enable the option Compose using shortcodes to embed media from popular sites. Once that's enabled, go to a post that you want to add the recipe to. So I'm going to go to Posts, All Posts, and edit this demo post that I've got for this video. The Jetpack recipe feature uses shortcodes, and to keep this video short and sweet, I'm going to go and copy and paste a recipe shortcode into my editor. What I'm going to do is convert this to a paragraph. As you can see, there's a number of different shortcodes being used here to display a recipe. This would be a good time to pause the video and take note of the markup being used to display a recipe. I'm going to go and save this so that we can see what it looks like on the front end. Now that this is saved, let's go have a look. So I'm going to click View Post, and if we scroll down, we can have a look at our recipe. It includes the title, meta information, the ingredients, direction, and nutritional information, all neatly displayed inside our blog post. But let's have a look at what that looks like on the AMP version of the website. As expected, it looks exactly the same. A really useful feature is this print page button, which allows the user to print your recipe. Add in recipes with Jetpack and AMP for WordPress is really easy.